hello everyone. Hi Cass, hi Ezra, hi Zaina. Kamusta kayo?
Hi.
Okay
Ika
naman,
naman.
kayo ba?
Ika
Okay
naman tayo.
lang. Kayo, kamusta?
Okay lang.
Oo nga, ano ba pwede natin
Pwedeng
pag-usapan?
maganda. Tama.
Uy, Ezra, do you find our
Oh,
module topic interesting? I believe that you have your takeaway after the discussion. You're so good because you're actively participated in the session and raised different questions to answer your queries.
ay oo. Our module topic for this week is very captivating. The different points in the Bill's video are an eye-opener to every one of us.
I agree with you. Since it's our break time and we're still hooked on this topic, maybe we continue our chit chats if it's okay with you.
Oo naman, G lang ako dyan. Gusto ko yan. So, let's just recall all the main points that made us connect to the discussion. For now, I wanted to start with the point wherein in the Pills video, yung discussion ni Guerrero last 2020, hundreds of climate scientists worldwide are gathered and release an alarming report regarding global warming. The most thrilling part is, sabi dun, we only have 12 years to limit the destructive consequences. The IPCC takes this seriously, so they have to share it in public to address the problem.
I agree ako dyan. Climate change is real. For instance, we might experience a sunny day in the morning and then rain later at night. We can even feel the cold nights, not in the Christmas season, but during the first 3 months.
Yes, and with that, we are irreparably altering the Earth. Di na nga tayo nabubuhay kung saan nabuhay yung grandparents natin eh. It's way too far from what we are experiencing. In this fundamentally transformed world, as is the case in many nations today, the individuals who are least guilty for the climate disaster will be the ones who lose a lot. Para magbigay na example regarding dun sa typhoons, before it's bearable eh. But now, in this era, the frequency and strength are rising, which leaves enormous destruction.
That is true. Also, according to the Pills video, the primary issue is the usage of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gasoline. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are trapped beneath the Earth's surfaces, which were liberated when burned. Carbon dioxide retains radiation from the sun, causing our world to warm rapidly. Do you know who's responsible for this?
Oo, may nabasa ako dyan, PowerPoint by Guerrero in 2018. Richard Head confirmed in his research that the world's greatest multinational and state-owned crude oil, natural gas, coal, and cement companies had emitted a massive amount of carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere.
There's another issue that I also analyzed during the discussion. And while I read the reading material, Michelle Bachelet, the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, declared in September 2018 that climate change is rapidly expanding, causes worldwide danger to individuals' rights. Human rights cannot be preserved unless fossil fuels are phased out completely and 100% renewable resources is adopted. That is why petitioners demand that carbon majors be held accountable for human rights violations as it affects the people's existence, health, hygiene, and housing. They are also affected by several climate changes adverse effects.